Good morning, ladies. I just wanted to give you some insight on the bonus point opportunity. So this is something we would have done in class. And so if you look on Blackboard under daily, under content, you'll find bonus point opportunity, draw a mathematician. So this is everything that you will need. So the assignment is to print off the assignment or copy onto a blank page. Complete the assignment first, then read the article attached dealing with the activity. So then take a picture and upload it. So the kind of the background on this is, so as you guys come into education as being a pre-service teacher, a lot of the students I get into the structural concepts classes and the geometry class are like, I hate math. I'll never teach math. I don't know why I have to learn this. And so also there's a little bit of anxiety there because maybe you've never been successful at math. And so there is some insight onto what preconceived notions you have as about a mathematician. Okay. And so this activity kind of allows you to see what your outlook is. So every picture will be different. There is no wrong answer here. I just want you to open up the assignment. So draw a mathematician assignment. Okay. And I want you to visualize a mathematician at work. Okay. Take a minute, just visualize a mathematician. And then you can start by drawing. You can do number 4 first. Okay, draw it, color it. Where is it? What's the background? What's on what are they? What's in their hand? Are they happy? Are they sad? What's their emotion? Where are they? So who are they? What are they? Where are they? What's with them? What's surrounding them? So picture it in your mind. What is a mathematician? Now, every person's definition of a mathematician will be different. Some people will see them as a mathematician, somebody that works in a company, mathematician. Somebody will see them as the lady off Hidden Figures that gets the astronaut back to Earth. That's a mathematician, and she's doing all the chalk on the wall. Some people will see mathematician as a math educator. Some people will see a mathematician as a mother who's teaching their child their numbers at the age of 2 or 3. And so each person's visualization will be different. And so that's what I kind of want you to see and get in your mind what your what you are visualizing. Excuse me. Okay, so draw it first. And then where is the mathematician? What are they doing? What kind of tools are they using? Okay, so then once you complete this, whether you do it on a blank sheet of paper or whether you actually print this out and do it, take a picture of it. Okay, save it as a JPEG is fine or a PDF is fine. Take a picture of it and then upload it to Blackboard. Okay, draw a mathematician. Now, here's a statement that I added. I am wanting you to answer the questions based on the mathematician you imagined and drew. Okay, there's no wrong answer here. Wherever your imagination goes is where it goes. Okay, the article is to add background to the activity. So once you're done, you can read the activity or you can read the article. The article was a research article that actually used the draw a mathematician as part of their research. So they were able then, so you can kind of read into how they then looked at the pictures and determine things about draw a mathematician. Okay, and what the female pre-service teachers believe, some of their anxieties, their beliefs, their stereotypes. So just kind of some background. So if you have any more questions, please reach out, but hopefully that answers a few questions. So this is due by Monday night at 11:59. Have fun with it. Let yourself imagine, okay? Again, there's no wrong answer. If you complete it, then you get the points. I'm not looking for something specific. I'm wanting you to just be honest with yourself about what you think about as a mathematician.